Um, Hello. Sorry about my hair. It's a hot mess right now, but I apologize. I'm coming to you all about joining me on this journey of taking these. I just bought them today, so I don't know how well it's going to do. I'm just curious. This is my nails before the journey begins. My nails always grow fast anyway. This is my hair. Sorry, I just did the big chop like on the 17th, so bear with me. I got a lot of shrinkage, of course, because the back of my hair is like basically here. You can't really see. In the front of my hair, it's not all that long, but you know, right there. Anyway, I was gonna take Hair Infinity, but that was a little too pricey. So I was like, I guess I'm gonna get these a shot. So I looked into the main course, metabolism. I don't know. I just was like, I might as well start here before I just go blowing my money on everything, all the vitamins in the world. So welcome to my journey. Two journeys, basically, my natural hair journey and my vitamin journey. All right. Well, we shall see how this goes. Bye.